Maths is used in many different ways, more than we know.
Our world needs maths. Without it, life as we know would be a disaster.
In this video, we'll show you what maths is used for in music, health, and cooking. When you turn on the radio, do you think about the fact that you're listening to maths? Layers and layers of numbers and time signatures that turn into a melody of drum beats and rhyming lyrics. Making your favourite song isn't always as easy as writing a few verses and a chorus, playing some chords, and putting them all together. To be able to produce a song, time signatures, harmonies, pitch, timbre, rhythms, and patterns are needed to construct and build the project. It doesn't matter what genre or type of music you like most, maths is always included to structure it or add to the sound. You may have heard of the word harmony before. It's singing the song, then pitching it up a few tones until the consonant and dissonant sounds balance each other out and create a pleasant to the ear sound.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. I'm shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches.
Even the time signature stamp is a fraction, usually a 4/4 or 4/4 beat, but depending on the rhythm it will alter. The top number tells you how many beats to count and the bottom tells you what kind of note. For example, crotchets, minims, quavers, and semiquavers.
How is maths used in health, you ask? Well, maths is used in health all the time, and without maths, we would not have all of the medications and amazing cures for all of the diseases around today. Scientists and doctors have been able to help people fight off many different diseases, and without maths, none of that would have been possible. Thanks to maths, scientists have gotten closer to finding cures for many different types of cancers, diabetes, and all of the terrible diseases that currently don't have cures. Maths is used to help people with diabetes as well, because people with diabetes need to keep track of their blood sugar levels. And to do that, they use a machine called a glucose meter that needs maths to be able to operate. As a matter of fact, all of the different techniques to help keep track of diabetes needs maths. Even your local doctors and nurses use maths every day. They use it when writing up a prescription or when they administer medication. When doctors are figuring out how much medicine one person needs, they need to use maths by doing measurements of liquid by using milliliters. Next, medical professionals use maths when drawing statistical graphs of epidemics or success rates of treatments. That is how maths is used in health, but that is only a small portion of it.
If there is anything everyone in the world can agree with, it's that we all love food, right? Well, if we didn't have or use maths, we would never get to eat our beloved food. Do you like spaghetti bolognese? Well, if it weren't for maths, you wouldn't be able to eat the delicious meal. See, you need maths to measure how much spaghetti you need to put in the pot. You also need to measure how many cups of sauce you need for it. Now for something sweet. Pancakes. If we didn't have maths, we wouldn't even have this amazing dessert. You need to use measuring cups for flour, milk, and sugar. We need to use many different types of utensils for cooking that also involves maths. If you are having people come over and the serving size for your meal was 12 and you only had 6 people coming, you have to either divide the serving size by 2 or you'll have to give everyone double of what they would have originally had. If you want to get more into depth about how you use maths in cooking, to work out how long you have to cook something, the formula is cooking time in minutes equals 15 plus mass in grams divided by 500 times 25. For example, if you have a chicken that weighs 2.8 kilograms, the calculation is 15 plus 2,800 divided by 500 times 25. The answer is 155 minutes, meaning you have to cook the chicken for 2 hours and 35 minutes if you translate it. As you can see with the information gathered, maths is a key essential in everyone's lives, whether you realise it or not.
In many different aspects of life, we use maths, and without it, life would be a complete mess.
From what's supplied in the video, we only understand a teeny tiny portion of what maths is used for.
We hope you know that although maths may be your least favourite subject, it's definitely one of the most important ones in your life.